Assalamu alaikum to everybody. Is it audibility clear? Yes, fine. Now, in the previous class, we were discussing about the thermodynamic properties. We have said that there are two types of properties. We have one classification as extensive and intensive. Extensive properties are those properties of matter which depends upon quantity of matter, bulkness of matter, how much, who are you, not necessary, how much is important. Similarly, we have intensive properties, those properties which depends upon quality of substance. They are dependent upon quality of substance. They are independent of quantity. How much, not necessary. Who are you? That is important, right? Now, if suppose, for example, you are saying the extensive and intensive, let us try further. Extensive properties depends upon the quantity of bulkness. Quantity or bulkness. Write down here correctly. Or bulkness of matter, and independent of its nature. Quality is not important, right? For example, now be careful, see on the screen, please concentrate on the present. What is the previous? I don't know, just go on learning the things, right? Show previous slide is not suitable, better now. Come on, go ahead. Extensive, mass, extensive property depends upon quantity. Energy, yes, quantity based. Volume, internal energy, you know this. Enthalpy, you know this. You don't know this one, Gibbs free energy. Just learn, keep it in mind. We will discuss it later on. What is this fellow? And entropy, this is called Gibbs free energy. Gibb apostrophe S, Gibbs free energy. It is called entropy. All these, there are so many properties. I have taken an example. These are known as extensive properties, right? Intensive properties depends upon nature, quality of matter, but not upon their quantity. How much is not important, who is important here in this case, right? For example, density, right? Suppose, for example, I have taken a spoon of water and I ask you what is density. You will say, answer, sir, density is supposed to be 1 gram per cc, for example. I have taken a jug of same water. I have taken a bucket of same water. I have taken a barrel of same water. And if I am repeating the question, what is the density? Then definitely what we have to say, sir, density is supposed to be constant as 1 gram per cc, because it depends upon which water you have taken. Is it tap water? Is it lake water? It is river water or rain water? But it never depends upon how much amount of water you have taken. Therefore, remember that intensive properties are those properties which depends upon quality or nature. For example, density is intensive property, concentration is intensive property, pressure is intensive property, temperature is intensive property, right? Freezing point, melting point. There are so many examples. We'll enjoy now in the next slide. Fine. Next. Complete this first, then we'll proceed. Write down this much. I think we have to start from this B section. Yesterday we have done up to section B. Go ahead. Try to learn properly what is extensive, what is intensive property. E stands for internal energy. You know this beta, we have done it. E, write down. E, internal energy. H, enthalpy. G, Gibbs free energy. S, entropy. Entropy. Over. Come on. Abrar, is it over? Fine. Now, there is a question here from students. What is the question, sir? You are saying extensive and intensive properties are important. Very good. But you have given only 7 examples for extensive properties and 3 examples for intensive properties. Now the question is what to do. Remember, whether you are having 7 examples or 70 examples, whether you are having 3 examples or 300 examples, please do not try to memorize as such. However, by practice, you can keep it in your subconscious, but do not memorize it. Do not memorize, right? What is to be done? When you are talking about this one, then we say simply one thing, sir. Try to understand the concept. Try to understand the concept. What is the concept? Concept is, if suppose, for example, you are having any property, check it. If suppose you are getting the property which depends upon the quantity, bulkiness, say it has extensive. It depends upon nature, it is called as intensive property. अब भी आप यही बोलेंगे सर समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. If you suppose new example is given, how to proceed? There is a short trick here in this case. Suppose, for example, if you are dividing matter, listen carefully. If you are dividing matter, if property is also getting divided, call it as extensive. If you are dividing matter, if property is also getting divided, call it as extensive. If suppose you are dividing matter and property is not getting divided, it is to be called intensive. Upon division of the property, if suppose matter is divided, property is also getting divided. Matter is made half, properties become half. Matter is doubled, property is doubled. Extensive property. If matter is made half, property is the same. If matter is doubled, property is same. In such cases, we say it is supposed to be intensive property. Right? For example, upon division of matter, if property also proportionately gets divided. Come on. What we have to do, sir? We are saying that property is getting divided. If it is so, because of matter, it is called as extensive property. If suppose, for example, you are dividing matter, if properties remains unaffected, then it is said to be intensive property. Okay. Now, let us try to understand this one. Come on. Extensive properties are added. We can add extensive properties, right? Mass plus mass, we can do it. Density plus density, no, it is not possible to have that one, right? Wait a minute. एक मिनट ठहरो बेटा, हरामियां बहुत ज्यादा आ गया है, जरा लॉक करके मीटिंग को स्टार्ट करेंगे। अगर आप कोई हैं ऐसे तो आप शराफत से क्लास के बाहर निकल जाओ। आप जो जुमले बोल रहे हैं वो बिल्कुल सिंपल है, जैसा आपके वालिदैन आपको तैयार करे आप वैसे ही जुमले बोल रहे हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, राइट? आपकी नस्ल क्या है वो समझ में आ रहा है, निकल जाइए, अदरवाइज कुछ भी नहीं होता कुछ भी नहीं। आसमान को थूकने से कुछ भी नहीं होता, सिर्फ अपनी नस्ल का पता बता रहे हैं आपके, आप किस नस्ल के हैं। Extensive properties can be added, but you cannot add intensive properties, right? Come on. Extensive property measured. This is the clue. Remember that the clue is, sir, how to recognize some unknown properties given to me, how to recognize. For that purpose here, any extensive property measured per unit length, any extensive property measured per unit length becomes intensive property. For example, force, extensive property. Length, extensive property. Increase the magnitude, we have increase in length. But force by length, surface tension. Force per unit area, surface tension. Acha. Any extensive property measured per unit area, pressure, force. What is force? Force is extensive. What is area? Extensive. Force per unit area becomes pressure, intensive. So any extensive property measured per unit length, per unit area, per unit volume, per unit mole, per unit mass, all these become, jahan ye word aaya per unit, it becomes intensive property. So extensive property measured per unit length, per unit area. For example, force per unit area, pressure is intensive, force is extensive, area is extensive, volume per unit, volume per unit, ये R नहीं है यहाँ पे, volume per unit gram, right? So if suppose for example you are saying either you measure like this, the R is available, extensive property measured either with respect to 1 unit length per centimeter जो बोलते हैं, per centimeter square, per centimeter cube, or per gram, wherever this word comes, this is indication of intensive property. Example कैसे लेंगे? Density. What is density? Intensive. Mass per unit volume. Mass extensive. Volume extensive. Ratio of these two becomes intensive. चलो ठीक. Molarity. Moles per liter. Moles per liter. Molarity. Extensive property. Right? Pressure. Force per unit area. Surface tension. Force per unit length. Ratio of, कुछ लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं, ratio of two extensive property becomes intensive property. ये भी एक short method है remember करने का. Ratio of two extensive properties becomes an intensive property. Force, length. Force by length, surface tension. Surface tension is force per unit length. When you are writing notes, please write down like this. Don't write F by A. यहाँ ये समझना है, per unit word समझना है. Next, pressure, force per unit area. Density, mass per unit volume. Molarity, moles per unit volume. Right? Specific volume. Specific. Now remember, whenever you have the word specific, whenever it comes, it is said to be intensive property. For example, if I say that, sir, I'm talking about specific heat energy, specific internal energy, jahan ye word aa gaya, specific heat capacity, it is becoming as intensive property. It is become intensive property. Next. अब यहाँ आपको चेकअप कीजिए कि हाउ मच यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. मास, आई एम राइटिंग प्रॉपर्टी हियर, एक्सटेंसिव इंटेंसिव. ये अच्छी तरह से लिख लीजिए, लेकिन याद करने की जगह पे समझिए यहाँ जो लिखे हुए पॉइंट्स है, then use that one and proceed to understand. Mass, extensive property. Yes. Molar entropy. Acha, entropy is extensive, right? Someone is saying what is S? S is called entropy, right? Entropy is extensive property. Molar entropy, intensive property. Area, extensive property. Temperature, intensive property. Remember that if I am changing the quantity of matter, temperature change nahi hoga. I am having a glass of water whose temperature is 0 degrees centigrade. I am dividing that water into 2 other glasses and I am making 3 samples of the same glass. What happens? In that case, what we can say is that temperature will remain same. Volume decreases, mass decreases, weight decreases, right? Number of moles decreases. All these are extensive. Molarity, temperature, these are supposed to be intensive. Heat energy, any form of energy is extensive property. Any form of energy, extensive. Number of moles, extensive property. Refractive index, right? If you are able to recall your 10th class optics problems, there was a question, find the refractive index of prism. ये जो sentence है books में, ये sentence गलत है. What should be the correct sentence? Find the refractive index of material of prism. Refractive index prism की property नहीं है. Refractive index किसकी property है? It is the property of material of prism, right? Therefore, whenever we are discussing refractive index, it is the property of material. Material means quality of the substance, that is called intensive property. Internal energy, any form of energy is known as extensive property. Enthalpy, H, अभी लिखे आप, extensive property. Gives free energy, yes, extensive property. pH value, right? ये आप 10th में पढ़े हैं pH value. pH value depends upon nature of the acid. As you change the nature of the acid, pH changes. As you change the nature of base, pH changes. Density, intensive property. Molar volume. What is volume? Volume is extensive property. Once you attach molar, it becomes intensive. Once you attach a specific volume, it becomes as intensive property, right? Therefore, whenever we are talking about intensive properties, be careful that they are dependent upon quality. If you divide matter, property will not be divided. For example, volume. अब यहाँ देखो, molar volume, intensive बोला है, right? Simply volume, extensive property. Pressure, vapor pressure बोलो या ordinary pressure बोलिए, it is supposed to be intensive property. Length, it is supposed to be extensive property. Heat capacity, extensive. Molar heat capacity, intensive. If I write simply heat capacity, मुझको यहाँ टिक करना पड़ेगा. If it is molar heat capacity, यहाँ टिक करेंगे. Enthalpy, extensive. Molar enthalpy, intensive. Standard electrode potential, intensive. ये याद रखिए. Second year के topics हैं पर ये. Equilibrium constant आगे आएगा. It is supposed to be intensive. हमको याद रखना है ये. Force, नहीं sir. If we change the magnitude, matter, force changes. Gas constant, it is intensive property. Entropy, extensive, because it is also quantity based property. अच्छा, If I make it as molar entropy, it becomes intensive. Dielectric constant, intensive property. Heat of combustion, heat, energy, it is extensive. अच्छा, यहाँ पे हम molar heat of combustion बोलिए. Molar heat of combustion is intensive property. Viscosity depends upon nature. Pressure depends upon nature of the substance. Heat capacity, यहाँ पे क्या लिखा हूँ मैं? Molar heat capacity. Intensive, simply heat capacity is extensive property. Specific conductance, specific conductance, it is called intensive property. ये जो नए नए नाम है, ये सेकेंड ईयर के सिलेबस में आएंगे आपको. सिर्फ अभी आपको ये इंटेंसिव है या एक्सटेंसिव है ये देखना है. Go ahead. तीन वक्त बोल लिया बेटा मैं. अनस, अनस है कौन है? तीन वक्त बोल दिया मैं. तीन वक्त पूछने के बाद जब मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रहा था उसके बाद तीन वक्त बोला. G is Gibbs free energy. G-I-B-B apostrophe S. Gibbs free, F-R-E-E, energy. S entropy, E-N-T-R-O-P-Y. नो प्रॉब्लम बेटा. ध्यान, ध्यान, कंसंट्रेशन की कमी है. कंसंट्रेशन की कमी है, कोई बात नहीं. Go ahead, write down. Read those sentences properly. I have given the sentence, I have given example. So connect those two things, you can understand. In general, yes. Imaduddin, yes. You have to check before saying that all constants are intensive. You have to check whether it depends upon quantity or not, because certain constants depends upon quantity also. Most of them are intensive. Is it over? Write the tabular form very systematically. Don't get confused with that signs. Right? एक एक प्रॉपर्टी को लिख के टिक करो. पूरे प्रॉपर्टी एक साथ मत लिख लीजिए. Write down mass, extensio, molar entropy ऐसे एक एक से कीजिए. Right? Write down. No problem. Write down. If someone is feeling difficulty with respect to writing the whole tabular form in a systematic way, इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए. राइट? हमेशा मत लिया करो. जब जरूरत है जब इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो. बाद में फिर नोट्स में जगह छोड़िए. राइट डाउन दिस लेटर ऑन. ओके. Word. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Muhammad Abdul Rabb. You are asking what is heat of combustion. I don't think that you are trying to understand the things, right? सब लोग सुनिए. What is heat of combustion? एक क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है बेटा. What is entropy? बोलो बेटा. What is Gibbs free energy? बोलो बेटा. हम वो क्या है नहीं पढ़ रहे हैं जनाब. हम पढ़ रहे हैं ये नाम आया तो इसको एक्सटेंसिव लिखना, ये नाम आया तो इसको इंटेंसिव लिखना. वो क्या है आगे 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 पूरा 2 साल खत्म होने के बाद भी आप ये सब आ जाएंगे आपको. वो अब हम व्हाट इज हीट ऑफ कंबशन, व्हाट इज गिब्स फ्री एनर्जी, व्हाट इज एंट्रोपी, ये सब नए नाम है आपके लिए. We are not learning that one. What we are learning, what is heat of combustion. I said heat of combustion is energy. Which energy? What type of energy? No, no, sir, it is energy. Energy का मतलब क्या? Extensive. हमारा आंसर खत्म हो गया. ये चैप्टर में ये काम करना है. जब हम थर्मोकेमिस्ट्री पढ़ेंगे फिर वो समझाएंगे कि अच्छा हीट ऑफ कंबशन क्या चीज है, उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज क्या है, वो दूसरे चैप्टर में आएगा. ठीक है. अब हम क्या पढ़ना, प्रॉपर्टी अगर आपके सामने रखी गई तो आपको पहचानना है कि ये इंटेंसिव है या एक्सटेंसिव. जॉब इज ओवर. 4 marks. Shall I proceed now? Now one boy is asking again, sir, what is the point D? Remember, if you are having any extensive property, if you are dividing that property by length or area or volume or mass, if it is divided by any one of these things, it becomes intensive. Density, mass per unit volume, mass by volume क्या बन गया? Density. Mass is what? Mass is extensive. What is volume? Extensive. Extensive by extensive becomes intensive. Okay, there is a boy here who is trying to make reverse of the sentence. Reverse is not true here in this case. Ratio between two extensive properties becomes intensive. Absolutely correct. But ratio between intensive property is not extensive. No, right? Remember, this is asked in terms of multiple answer. Which of the following is correct statement? Ratio of two extensive property is intensive. You are absolutely correct. Ratio of two intensive property is extensive. No, it is not correct. Okay, got the idea? Specific conductance, conductance, specific conductance. Last one is specific conductance. The symbol is K. Is it over? Right. Now come to the next one. Till now we have discussed about extensive properties and intensive properties. ये यहाँ पे एक question definitely पक्का आएगा. Now there is a doubt here in this case by Muhammad Abrar, if any property is extensive, intensive, right? Never. We are having two different properties, दोनों अलग-अलग हैं, right? Extensive property, intensive property, एक चीज को नहीं बोलेंगे. It is not possible. ठीक है? चलिए next. Now once you understand the word extensive and intensive property, अब आपके जो डाउट्स हैं वो तो हल्के फुल्के हैं. जो डेंजर डाउट्स हैं, जो ज्यादा से ज्यादा पूछने वाले हैं, वो क्या है देखिए. द प्रोडक्ट आर रेशियो ऑफ इंटेंसिव प्रॉपर्टी आल्सो इंटेंसिव. अभी जो आप पूछ रहे थे ना, द प्रोडक्ट दो इंटेंसिव प्रॉपर्टीज को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो इंटेंसिव ही आएगा. दो इंटेंसिव प्रॉपर्टी को डिवाइड करेंगे तो भी इंटेंसिव आएगा. अनस इट्स ओवर बेटा, कब तक लिखेंगे आप? क्लास अच्छा इवाल होना ना. हाँ 6:40 बाद में शेड्यूल. ओके ओके राइट. నేను క్లాస్ తర్వాత స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాను. ఈ క్లాస్ తర్వాత ఒకసారి డిస్కస్ చేస్తాను. అదే అంటే 2 గంటలకు అవుతుంది. 3:30. Is it over, Anas? Further 2 minutes are required. Okay. Anas, everyone is waiting for you. टैबुलर फॉर्म्स ऐसे आए तो उसको स्क्रीनशॉट लेके बाद में फिर नोट्स में लिख लेना बेटा। शाम में बैठ के अच्छे सिस्टमेटिकली टेबल बना के तो जब आपके नोट्स में दम आता। नो, once you are able to understand intensive, then the typical parameters are something like this. Every bit is 4 marks question. Product R ratio of intensive properties are also intensive properties. Multiply 2 intensive, it becomes intensive. Multiply 2, divided 2 intensive, it becomes intensive. Next, let alpha and beta be 2 intensive properties. Then alpha into beta, product. Alpha by beta, division. Differentiation, dou alpha by dou beta, slope. Variation of alpha, variation of beta, all are extensive properties. All are extensive properties. Okay, next. Let alpha beta be 2 extensive properties. एक पॉइंट ध्यान से सुनिए, इससे हटके कोई केस नहीं हो सकता। फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे मोहम्मद रुबा जैद, इतना लंबा चौड़ा कुछ लिखे हैं, कुछ भी नहीं होता वहां पे, राइट? वो जब सब लिखे हैं बेटा आप टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, इस पर ध्यान दो, वो पूरे क्लियर हो जाते हैं ऑटोमेटिकली। ठीक है, चलिए, अल्फा कामा बीटा बी 2 एक्सटेंसिव प्रॉपर्टीज, देन अल्फा प्लस बीटा, if suppose you are saying alpha is extensive, beta is extensive, you can add them. Yes, it is possible. But after addition, again it becomes extensive property. अच्छा, ऐसा intensive नहीं हो सकता because intensive cannot be added. ठीक है? अच्छा, alpha by beta and dou alpha by dou beta becomes intensive. अभी क्या बोले आप? Ratio of 2 extensive properties becomes intensive. Ratio of 2 extensive property becomes intensive property. Dou A, change of extensive, change of intensive, extensive. If you take ratio of that, again it becomes as intensive property. Okay. Next. Now, if we are discussing the properties of extensive and intensive, there is one more way of classification of the properties. That classification is based upon some other parameter. यहाँ क्या parameter लिए थे? We have taken the parameter quantity and quality. And now I am taking another parameter. What is another parameter? Let us enjoy something before going to that example. In physics, you have learned something known as distance and displacement. What is distance? Sir, something which we are complete discussion of total journey, total path covered by a body. किधर से जा रहे हैं, कैसा जा रहे हैं, everything. What is displacement? No, sir. Displacement is shortest directional path between initial point and final point. What is displacement? Shortest. एक आंसर आया है यहाँ पे, नहीं बोलना था, मुझको बोलना पड़ रहा है. Shortest route. बिल्कुल सही है. सुपरमार्केट का आंसर है shortest route, right? बेटा ऐसा लिखे तो -1 नहीं मिलता, -10 मिलता है. ठीक है, सुनते जाओ, खाली लिखो मत. आपको फिजिक्स नहीं आती है, पहले सुन लीजिए मेरे से, उसके बाद फिर फिजिक्स की बात करेंगे. ठीक है. व्हाट इज डिस्प्लेसमेंट? डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज शॉर्टेस्ट, नंबर 1, डायरेक्शनल पाथ बिटवीन इनिशियल पॉइंट ऑफ जर्नी एंड फाइनल पॉइंट ऑफ जर्नी, राइट? देयरफॉर पीपल से इट इज ए वेक्टर क्वांटिटी. इज इट क्लियर? अब वो जहन में रख के इधर आइए, केमिस्ट्री में आइए. If you are defining that one, then first of all you have to say, sir, initial point of journey, final point of journey. फिजिक्स वाले ऐसा बोलते हैं, हम लोग उसको ऐसा नहीं बोलते. हम क्या बोलते हैं? इनिशियल स्टेट, फाइनल स्टेट. What is the meaning of state? Telangana state, AP state? No. State, it does not mean to say solid liquid gas. No. Neither solid liquid gas, not Andhra and Telangana. What is the meaning of state? That the system which you are studying, at which pressure, at which temperature, at which volume. These three are called as state of system, right? These three are called state variables. Sir, P1, V1, T1, state 1. P2, V2, T2, state 2. PI, TI, VI, initial state. No, sir, PF, TF, VF, final state. इसको state कहते हैं. ठीक है. So, state of system, it indicates a specific value of state variable. State variables कौन है? प्रेशर वेरिएबल है, टेम्परेचर वेरिएबल है, वॉल्यूम वेरिएबल है. ये तीनों को मिला के बोलते हैं स्टेट वेरिएबल. ठीक है. चलिए, सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल I am saying P1, V1, T1. Okay, sir, you are not saying anything. You are talking about state 1. No. P2, V2, T2. Sir, you are talking about state 2. Someone says roll number 1. बोला नहीं sir, आप initial state, final state. बिल्कुल सही है, right? Now, if we are going from this to this, it is called initial state of journey. It is final state of journey. Now, suppose for example you are going from this point to this point, then are you changing the path? Right? Whether you are counting the path, whether you are not counting the path. जैसे डिस्टेंस में क्या कर रहे थे, आप कहां से जा रहे हैं? सर, मैं घर से निकला, फ्रेंड नंबर 1 के पास गया, फ्रेंड नंबर 2 के पास गया, फिर कॉलेज को आ गया. टोटल जर्नी डिस्टेंस नहीं सर, शॉर्टकट, डायरेक्ट कॉलेज से घर का जो रास्ता है, शॉर्टेस्ट जो रास्ता है, नॉट रूट, डायरेक्शनल होना, राइट? If it is so, we say that we are having a new classification. What is that? Path function, state function. नाम से कुछ समझ में आ रहा होगा आपको. Path function. Function का मतलब property. Any thermodynamic property which depends upon paths, which depends upon path of the system, and any thermodynamic property which depends upon state of system. State of system मतलब T1, V1, T1, P2, V2, T2. अच्छा. When I am discussing about state, आप किधर से आ रहे हैं? I don't care. Displacement में क्या करते हैं आप? सर, आप किधर से गए, नहीं, I don't want. Shortest directional path. Exactly in a similar way, state function depends upon initial state and final state, whereas path function depends upon path chosen for the conversion. It depends upon path chosen for the conversion, and it also depends upon कहाँ से शुरू करें, कहाँ खत्म करें और कैसा करें. All the path के अंदर दोनों भी आना, path भी आना, state भी आना. State के अंदर only one. It depends upon only initial and final state. It is independent of path chosen for the conversion. चलिए, state function. State functions are thermodynamic properties which depends only upon initial and final state of the system. These are independent of path choose them for the conversion. आप किधर से कैसा नहीं हमको वो नहीं मालूम है सर, कहाँ से शुरू करें कहाँ खत्म करें, that is called as state function. इसके बाद का आगे पढ़ेंगे, पहले लिख लो. Any doubt in this case? Now ask. अब पूछो. Any doubt बेटा? Write it down. Write it down. Go ahead. Please try to understand properly intensive और extensive. थोड़ा टाइम लगता है, बार बार पढ़ना पड़ेगा एक ही चीज को, राइट. फिंगर रीडिंग करना, उंगली रख के जैसा पढ़ते थे ना बचपन में, वैसा उंगली रख के एक पॉइंट पे सोचना, रुकना. नॉवेल के वैसा 10 वक्त भी पढ़ेंगे तो आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा. है is it over? लिखिए लिखिए लिखिए, नो प्रॉब्लम, लिखिए. Still we have time. Write down, write down. Today evening, please read properly, and if you have doubt, please ask tomorrow. Notes पहले अच्छा पढ़ो, कम से कम 2 to 3 times read the notes, then follow any textbook. अगर ये सब नहीं मिलेगा आपको बुक्स में, अच्छा पढ़िए 3 वक्त 2-3 वक्त अच्छा पढ़िए नोट्स का, कॉन्फिडेंस डेवलप होगा आपका. Over. Very good. Five minutes. Okay, ठीक है. 5 minutes. मोहित क्या प्रॉब्लम है बेटा, आपका राइटिंग का प्रॉब्लम है क्या है, इतना टाइम क्यों ले रहे हैं आप? लिखिए 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 लिखिए. विजिबिलिटी क्लियर है मुखीत, दिख रहा है आपको बराबर साफ? Are you seeing on phone? Are you using the laptop or monitor? Okay, लैपटॉप है तो बेटर है, बहुत अच्छी बात है. Any doubt to ask? Right. Thank you. Remaining discussion we'll discuss in the next class. Please read. Number of times read this. If you have doubt in extensive, intensive, tomorrow we'll enjoy. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Jazakallah.